Come on, Papa. See a doggy? Say bye-bye. Say see you later. Come on, let's go. Come on, Papa. Come on. This way. Come on.
Come on, Gooser.
He doesn't want to come back.
I know.
Oh, you're hissing at the dog, huh?
All right.
Watch out, I got poop right here, Heather.
All right. There we go. He's a nice
Which way
hiss.
you going?
You lead us. You know where?
Try to go in the kitchen.
Do you know where you live?
Normally he tries to get to the kitchen.
Boy, this was a good outing for him. Oh, he's running.
Come on, keep going.
He's running.
Let's go. You're doing good, Papa.
Good boy. Now I can really call you a boy.
Yep.
Oh, there's some pee only.
Yep. He leaves his mark.
Yeah, he
Boy,
does.
you did good, Papa.
You did
good.
real good.
You gotta get in your cage. I'll get you some bread.
Oh, boy.
Put your foot down. Put your foot down. I'll get you some more water. I'll get you some bread and water.
It's like the prisoners, bread and water.
Bread and water. He's a prison. Get some water.